Hey there, it's Todd. I want to talk today a little bit about something new I just discovered that can help when you're developing embedded web applications that are running inside of FileMaker. So, or anywhere embedded really, but we do a lot of FileMaker stuff, obviously. So if we look at this, this is just a web viewer, and this is Proof Chat, which is a full chat application running inside of FileMaker connected to your FileMaker data, which is pretty cool. That's not what I want to talk about though. What I want to talk about here is what happens when you're developing and you need to look at the console because you have console logs that are coming out, right? These are all the debug logs I have as I'm developing, right? You can certainly right click as I just did. And if you've turned on DevTools in embedded Safari, which you can do with a terminal command, you'll see this. You can click that and you'll get the tools, but you notice it always comes back to elements. Then I have to go to console, and it's just kind of a pain. And anytime I shift and go to layout mode, I want to lose that, and I have to inspect again and go back to here, and I'm back, right? So that totally works. That's the way I've been doing it for a long time. But I just discovered something called chii, which is a DevTools front end running on a server, which you can use to do remote debugging connected to your app running inside of FileMaker. So let's do that. This is what it looks like. First thing I did is I put a DevTools npm script that calls pnpx chii start server port 80. So what that's going to do is pnpm or npm run or pnpm DevTools. And that's going to start the DevTools server, and it's going to start it on localhost 8080. And so there it is. I don't have anything loaded because I just need to refresh this. And now there it is. This here is this. And so if I click on this, I can inspect my console logs. So, and my network and everything is here, right? Which is pretty great. And my cookies. So you basically have all of Chrome DevTools. And that's kind of nice because Safari's DevTools are fine, but I'm used to Chrome DevTools. So now when I'm working in a FileMaker app that has an embedded web app in it, I can get the Chrome DevTools embedded in it just like that. So this is chii, and it's running in our inside of a FileMaker web viewer. And we kick this whole thing off using our proof kit, which is a quick and easy way to get started building FileMaker apps that use web technologies, web apps or embedded web viewers. So that's it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.